For any UPSC aspirant, why coaching becomes important? Why can't we go for a self-study? As we know, syllabus of UPSC is vast and one should know more of what not to study than what to study. There comes the role of coaching. My name is Manasvi. I am from Analog IAS Academy. I would like to mention a few things. Firstly, faculty, professional in their own subjects, and the difference between them is their teaching methodologies, be it in a comedy or an emotional aspect. They connect with us and keep us motivated all the time. Secondly, the programs, Abhyasa and Abhyasa Plus. They are daily, weekly and monthly tests comprising of MCQs which are important for prelims and descriptive writing where the answer writing plays a key role in mains perspective. And thirdly, Samiksha, which is a comprehensive news analysis, which is consolidated into a monthly analysis. It will cover current events from all aspects, be it polity, economics, national or international. Analog IAS Academy is conducting a scholarship test, ASTRA, which will give you a scholarship up to 50% for students who are aspiring for civil services. So aspirants who want coaching this year can utilize this opportunity by writing ASTRA.